search engines, they are the most important tool found on the internet. Without it, the internet isn't going to be the same thing. But clearly, one company, which is Google, has been controlling around 90% of the market. So what do we do about it? We can't just replace Google and be happy about it. Like, our phones have only Google in them. What are we gonna do? So we have a couple of options. So I'm de-googling everything in my life, moving off of Google as my search engine, removing Google Drive, removing Google Photos, going to self-hosted options. So here are some of the search engine options you can get. The first one is DuckDuckGo. It is the most privacy-focused search engine, but it doesn't have the best results. It is based on Bing, which is a Microsoft thing again. It has an AI interface where you can chat with an AI chatbot, but really it's AI, and it's the best set and forget option you can find out there. Then the second one is Startpage. It's the best privacy search engine you can find right now. It has an anonymous view where you can view the web pages without leaking your IP information and stuff like that. But then there is OmniSearch, a metadata search engine with a really clean UI. Another pro, it is written in C. Another pro, it does not rely on one search engine. You can add DuckDuckGo, Startpage, Yahoo, Muji as its search option, so it filters through each one of them. Then it is self-hosted. You can filter through each search engines, which I will just listed right here, and beautiful design. So you can. So I've of course chosen OmniSearch as my option after daily driving more than like a dozen of them out there. I don't think there are a dozen of them, but sure. But like, I of course don't have a server where I can host something like this. So OmniSearch is something which runs locally on your computer or on your device. So I have one instance on my laptop, another instance is on my phone, etc. So you can install OmniSearch. It is hosted on a GitHub instance like this. You can just go there right now. This is the Git instance of OmniSearch. It is a lightweight metadata search engine written in C. So you can do it by installing its dependencies, libbeaker. Just go ahead and in the terminal go to some folder and just get the dependencies. Now just go and get the dependencies, etc. And when you go into OmniSearch, when you go and get OmniSearch, you can make it first. You can build the whole search engine on your computer itself, and then you can install the search engine as a systemd or a RNet file. Like, install systemd, because I'm on Arch Linux right now, so it is systemd. Then you can enable it like this, which will make the service boot on, make the service start on boot essentially. So you can now look at it at this URL, localhost. So you can look at it here at this URL where you can search OmniSearch Kit. Let's just search here, or let's just search like Google. Let's search Google. It just works as a normal search engine, and you get options. I want to search only DuckDuckGo here, so you can search DuckDuckGo. I want to search only Startpage here, so it just gives you the result. And you also have images which you can comb through. Look, I have this. It's not the best thing in the world, but it does it, and it's pretty modern UI. Now you may be like, I want to do like Control D and search, and then OmniSearch should work. So you can go into your browser settings and add another search engine. You can give a name here. I'm gonna name it Omni, and you have to add it as a search term here, this URL, and you have to add an engine. So you can now use Omni search. Cool, right? Well, this is how Omni search works. You can edit the configuration file. That's the Omni search config with INI. You can change the port. You can change the host name. You can give it an IP address, something like that. You can give it a domain too. I don't think so this domain works, but let's just try. Nope, you need to bind this domain to the port, which you can do. It's pretty easy. Then you can use proxies and stuff like that, and caches too. You can filter out what engines you need and which ones you don't. So you could just remove Mojik like I have done, or you could remove start page if you don't like it. That's it. Peace.